Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. Okay, so as you know, I'm on my second Makaira reel, so what kind of rods I'm going to put it on. Now this is what I used before. This is a PCH rod. And what I like about the PCH, well, there's a lot of things I like. I like the fact that they're tough. I like the fact that in the States, up in California, they've been using this as rail rods, meaning to put it on the edge of the rails and just fight the fishing. That's how strong these one pieces are. Also, little things like double locks. Double locks are always nice to have. They're strong. They have a good reputation around the world. These are the PCH rods by Okuma. So what I found that this one here, this is a heavy. Now, let me get to the stats on this. Okay, this is the Okuma PCH Custom. It's a heavy. It is rated for 50 to 80 pounds, 2 to 8 ounces. All right, this is a pretty damn good one-piecer. This is going to either be my plugging rod or surf rod. So right on this one here, I have 30-pound mono on this. I also have a second spool that's already spooled up, and that has braid on it. So I would say that this is good for plugging, bottom jigging, surf casting, whatever you want to do. This is ready. Now this is the new reel I got. This is the Makaira 20,000. The other one here is the 10,000. Again, look at this. Double locks. I mean, if you're on a big fish, you know why you need the double locks. That's a good locking system. And like the other rod, it has a rubber butt, or you can put it on the boat on a gimbal to fight it from the rod holder, or put it into your belt to fight it in. This is virtually the same stats as this one here that is starting to fall. The only difference is the rating. This one here is not a heavy. This is extra heavy. And trust me, I started off with the extra heavy with the 10,000. It's too much. The rod was too stiff, so I ordered a heavy, which is perfect. And I'm using the extra heavy for the 20,000. So let me see what it says here. It says 7'6" again. Is rated for 60 to, is that 60? Yeah, 60 to 100 pounds, 2 to 10 ounces. So that is a better rating for this stronger reel right here. And the line, I haven't figured out what I'm going to put on it yet, but can't go wrong, right? This is a really, really good, strong unit. I've been wanting to put together just a couple pieces that I can take anywhere. These are the two units. Thanks.